y'all, and welcome back to New Chefs. Today we're going to be making gluten-free almond chocolate. So here are our ingredients. First we have almond flour, and then we have baking powder. We also have olive oil, syrup, vanilla extract, and also chocolate chips.
Let's begin. So our first step is to add 2 cups of almond flour. As you can see, we already have the almond flour in here. So our next step is a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. So it's very little baking powder, but this is what it looks like. We have the baking powder in the middle.
So our next step, we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is very healthy compared to butter. 3 and 4.
So now we're going to be doing 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now that we have finished, we're going to be moving on to our second and final step. So for this step, you guys are going to want to get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so now let's move on to the final step. So now here we have our final tasty, delicious chocolate chips. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to stir. So everyone grab your stir and let's mix it together until it becomes dough. Okay, so now that we have our recipe done, we are going to make them into little balls so that way it can go into the plate. Here are the cookies. They are finished and they are ready to be eaten. And this took 8 to 10 minutes to cook. So now, let's try a bite. These are delicious. And they're also very healthy. If you like this